Can you see?
Yes, yes. I like it.
We are in Istanbul, Üsküdar,
Yes.
Asian side.
Today our journey is to the European side.
We're gonna go to Sirkeci, Eminönü,
Yes.
by the ferry from Üsküdar. And now we're going to
That's
the ferry.
maybe we might take.
Yes. If you can see the bridge from here.
Yes. Alright.
And this is Üsküdar city.
This is the Asian side.
Heading to the ferry. I don't know if it's that Sirkeci or no, but
It's very crowded today, guys, because it's a weekend.
Yes. As you can see, the house is up at the top. Let's hurry. We don't want to miss the ferry.
Yeah. Let's go. Ooh, bubbles.
Wow. Scammers.
Yes, guys, we wear scammers.
Yes. Not getting going. Caravan. We'll ask you.
Sena bana değil, ona yardım et ona.
Bakar mısınız? Eminönü gidiyor musun? Yes. So now we're gonna go to the ferry. This is the view. Can go up for a better view.
Hayır ama. Günün sonu güzel bir şey var.
Hey Jungs, wir können auch ganz nach oben gehen, gell? Jungs, wir können auch ganz nach oben gehen.
You can see the bridge. I've never came this up.
Ja, okay, ist schon geil.
So basically,
Gel üst kata
that's
gel.
the European side.
That's the European side.
And this is the
Gel gel.
Asian side. We're gonna go with the ferry to the European side.
Oh, look at the other ferry coming from. It's very cold, guys. Actually, it's like 7 degrees ish. We are freezing.
Yes.
It's if you're planning on coming to Turkey in these months,
Layer, Galata Port.
Yes.
We're gonna show you the port now.
This is a museum right behind us.
It's called Istanbul Modern.
Yes. Oh, there's a mosque behind us.
Yes. The
Wow.
flag. Turkey. Ooh. Istanbul, Istanbul, Istanbul.
We're getting closer to Christmas. Merry Chrysler.
So basically, the idea of this is in front. It's a
What is it? It's like a mall kind of thing.
yeah, which have like restaurants, and stores in front of the sea. So that's why it's called Galata Port. Christmas vibes. Mostly all the cruises which comes to Istanbul, they stop here in Galata Port. Let's see if there's a cruise today or no. It's so cold. This is the decorations for Christmas.
The cruise left.
There's no cruise. Today there's no cruise. Let's give you a quick look. So we're in the European side, and that's the Asian side where we took the ferry from. That's the bridge. This is Galata Port.
Yes. Now that's the sea in front of us.
Yes. Yes. It's filled with restaurants, cafes, stores, shopping. Yes. Standard Pamali. You cannot see you because of the lights, yeah. But yeah, so pretty.
It's all restaurants and cafes.
Yeah, and the stores are like right behind.
Yes. So if you guys are looking for a place to
Chill.
munch and chill, you can come here.
Yes.
Because you have an amazing view of Turkey, to be honest.
Especially in the daylight.
Yes. It's so pretty. Continuing. Okay. Continuing.
So here we are, as we said, in Galata Port. This is the restaurant side. Take a picture of the restaurant.
Yes. Look at them. Interesting.
It's
Very
weird
cold,
to see.
guys.
It's weird. It's very cold.
It's very, very cold.
So many foreigners.
This area is mostly filled with foreigners, to be honest.
Yes. Evet. Biz bugün Galata Port'tayım. Deniz yakında ama hava çok soğuk. Hava çok soğuk.
Wow. There's so much Christmas deco here.
Evet. Çok kalabalık bugün çünkü hafta sonu.
Evet.
O yüzden çok insan da geliyor. Çok misafir de geliyor. Çok yabancı da var.
Ama problem var. Yüksek adam YouTube'da arkadaşlar Sri Lanka'da. Bilmiyorum. Türkçe bilmiyorum.
Kapat.
Değerli yolcularımız, ilgili kanun gereğince geminin kapalı ve açık alanlarında sigara içmenin yasak olduğunu hatırlatır, iyi günler dileriz. Dear passengers, we would like to remind you that smoking is prohibited indoor and outdoor areas of the vessel in accordance with the relevant law. We wish you a nice day. That smoking is prohibited in indoor and outdoor areas of the vessel, and we wish you a safe trip. Değerli yolcularımız, ilgili kanun gereğince geminin kapalı ve açık alanlarında sigara içmenin yasak olduğunu hatırlatır, iyi günler dileriz. Dear passengers, we would like to remind you that smoking is prohibited indoor and out.
We're waiting for the tram. We're gonna take the tram.
Yes, the tram is taking forever. It's very cold. Hello. Yes, this is my partner in crime next to me. We are waiting for our tram, but
We're
it's
gonna
taking
go to a station. We're at a place called Bayazid.
busy.
Yes, and right now we are in Sirkaji. We're gonna take the tram.
Uh-huh.
I mean, sorry, we're in Eminunu. We're taking the tram from Eminunu to Bayazid,
Busy. Yes. It's
which
taking
is like 5 stations, let's say.
yes.
So now we're waiting for the tram.
Yes.
Modular, it says in one.
Alrighty. Bye bye. Hello guys, we are walking back. We don't know where to go. It's still 8 p.m. We have nowhere to go, but it's so pretty. It's very pretty. But there's nothing to do. Everything is just cafes and stores. There's nothing to get for us now, actually. Oh, the cooking stuff.
Let's enter and see how much is it.
All right.
Oh, it's all in the book. Galata Port.
Galata Port is so pretty, actually. Hold on.
This is like the store.